वेलकम टू द माय यूट्यूब चैनल और मैं सौरभ इसके। तो आज हमारा चैलेंज है। इस चैलेंज में होगा क्या? इस चैलेंज में ये होगा कि हमारा जो चैलेंज है 21 डेज स्पीक इंग्लिश, जिसमें कि मैं 21 दिन तक जो अपनी वीडियो है वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में बनाऊंगा। तो स्टार्ट। पीपल से यू ग्रामर इज इम्पोर्टेंट। आई नो grammar is important for make a correct sentence. You first learn about tense, second models and active passive voice, and you know about part of speech, about basic knowledge of grammars. You after that you can speak. Child study in English medium and study 12th year in English medium. After that he cannot speak English. So why they cannot speak English? So sometimes I'm thinking why education is not changing. So this year is we meet a new policy of education system. Japan is a very developed country. You know about 1945 in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. They America attacked on Japan atomic bomb Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Anime, they are very popular in Japan. Is anime. What is anime? Anime is like magic. You know about a movie, animation movies. Animation movies is like a magic. You cannot correct in your life because they are not follow the gravitational laws and no follow every physics rules, no follow. So make you can anything make. So thinking about some people say anime is a cartoon, but anime is not a cartoon. This is the culture of Japan. Yes, so I will make a video for my YouTube channel. This is challenge 21 days speak English, not Hindi. Every words in use English. Think about coaching. So think about I will go coaching. I will go coaching tomorrow. What are doing? I'm doing study because of my subject. My basically subject is biochemistry and physics. Learn about the facts of biology, the facts, the knowledge, the fit in my mind. This is important, and focus on my chemistry for a NEET, because NEET is a exam every year. You can apply for a NEET. I think learn English, live English, and love English, because English is a very good language. You can master, you must learn English. You know, tense is a basic rule of English. You must learn tense. That you can models like can, should, could, might, must. I should water, must water. What is different of water? I must water, and what is I must water and I should water. Learn about preposition, because preposition is give a direction, time, place, and almost 150. You improve vocabulary. You learn vocabulary your life. Vocabulary never end, because you learn every day 10 words. You should learn the vocabulary every day. You must learn 10 words in open your dictionary and learn 10 words. Okay, because anime is more interesting. Thinking mostly Indians in evening time they are watching serials like Nagin. What is Nagin? Nagin is a snake. This is a big snake, Nagin, and they are love with bird. Interesting. Nagin love with bird. They are bird going into the moon, So how they can live in moon? Because in the moon not have a atmosphere, not a moon heaven what atmosphere in a moon. I am thinking about who is make a Nagin? Who is make a Nagin for? What is purpose of Nagin for? What is your interest? Your interest in speaking English, your interest in writing, your interest in listening. So you are choose one path, and you are a speaker. You are interested in speak. So you speak, not matter 1 hour, 2 hour, 24 hours only speak English because this is important. Writing so write. Lots of time in 24 hours you should write, and you have an interest in listening. So listen. Watch movie in English, learn interest. This is very important because psychologists say you have information anything in your mind, so you can speak. You can speak English. Cambly app is very nice. I think I want a subscription of Cambly because they are teach about a great teacher. This is they are help you how to speak English. It's a national language, and English is international language. I think this journey is not a short journey. This is journey is a very long journey. See you again. We meet next video. This is Saurabh. Is what's your goal?
हमको भी तिकड़ू चाहिए
One कर